Houston, what are you walking in? You walking in the snow? You kicking the snow?
Outside.
Yeah. You see your footprints? Footprints.
Uh-oh.
Are your boots all snowy?
But
That's okay. That's why we wear boots. You see the grass under the snow?
Kick.
Yeah, kick it off. This is the first snow of 2011.
Mama.
Yeah. Are we in the snow? Can you touch it? Touch it with your hands. Is it fluffy? Oh, is it cold?
Cold.
Yeah, did you get on your face?
Kick.
And kick it?
Got boots.
Yeah, I got your boots on.
Uh-oh.
You got snow all over them, huh?
Cold.
Is it cold?
Uh-oh.
That's okay. See the grass? Grass is under the snow. Yeah.
Wanna walk?
Yeah, you can walk. There you go.
My boots too.
Yeah, Mama's got boots too.
Orange.
There's snow. Snow. Look at your footprints. Look at your footprints. Footprints.
Hey, kick.
Kick it away.
My boots.
Boots. It's okay.
Push it.
Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Today.
Bye-bye.